This is the first time I'm doing a Obey Me recording with my microphone on.
Obey me.
This is gonna be
服
interesting,
従
I
させた
think.
らお前の勝ち。
Good to be back. Good to be back.
こんにちは。
I've probably forgotten all of their names already. What's this? What's happening? Hello? What the hell? Summer vacation. Summer. See. This sounds like this sounds like an ad. Like a holiday ad. Sunshine. I'm hungry.
Oi!
Belia, idiot, you're messing up the flow. Feels so hot and sticky. Plus I'm sleepy. I like swimming in the ocean, but I can't keep up with mammal and asthma and zeal for a party. What does zeal mean? Party animals are a terrifying species. By the way, where's Lucifer go? He's probably drowned. He's probably okay. You don't. To be honest, I wasn't really expecting like a swim short. I mean, Lucifer's not really the person that would be showing off anything but his face and his hands. I mean, he wears gloves. You must get hot in that. It's time for a vacation. Enjoy your time at the beach to the fullest together with everyone. Check out the event, Pearls on the Beach. And let's do that later. I want to focus on the actual story. Time for lunch. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, Beal. No, it's not.
僕だけを見ててね。
There's no voice in the background. I feel like it would be easier to put my mic on, because then I'd have to put subtitles.
全然足りねえっつうの。
It's way easier. So I can just say what I want to say.
楽勝だろ。
Thank you. Thank you.
じゃあね。
German. I nearly know all the voice lines now. Right, let's go. Trivia Showdown. Oh yeah! We're doing a competition with Levy to see who's the biggest, what's it called? The Seven Lords fan. You're telling me that Beal and Satan both gave you hints how to defeat Levy? Levy or Levi, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm just gonna say Levy, because that's how I've always pronounced his name, like Levy and Levyvan. Levy. You don't say. How very interesting.
だな。
Well, you know why they did that though, right? It's all because I'm looking after you. You've got Mama to thank for this. I'm not the type of person that's gonna read you bedtime stories. Okay, here's the deal. Those two are giving you special treatment because they know that I'm the one in charge of you. They want me to be pleased with them, you see? So what do you think about that? Now you get it, don't you? It's clear how important I am, and how much my younger brothers respect me. I don't think they respect you. They despise you. Are you insane? Yeah. Are you insane?
あのな。
What? What do you mean I'm insane? Look at me. Do I look insane to you? No. Kind of, the way you're looking at me. Another thing, you really need to learn how to show some respect towards demons, got it? I mean, I was gonna say we're all people, but we're not, are we? You should treat me how I treat you. Saying that I treat you very badly. I should treat you the same you treat me. That makes no difference. Oh, forget it. Let's just get down to business. Yeah, let's. You and me need to figure out what our strategy is gonna be with this Lavi thing.
Oh.
First off, what Beale told you was right. You can make Lavi jealous. He's bound to lose his cool. Although there's no guarantee he won't kill you if that happens. Oh no! I'm too young to die. I mean, obviously you can make Levi jealous. I mean, he is the avatar of envy. But that's how it's gotta be. There's no way you can beat Levi in a competition with who's the bigger TLC TSL nerd. Not if you not fight fair.
Dana.
You'd best face up to the fact that this is gonna involve a little risk. Yeah, of me dying? Yeah. I don't think that's a little risk. That's a big risk. So we've got to figure out how you're going to manage to make him jealous.
Oh.
He may be called the avatar of envy, but it's hard to make him give in to it. Instead of getting super jealous of you. He might get all negative about the situation. He'll start talking about it's not fair and you're lucky and stuff. You're not just processing words. You're not gonna be able to get him to lose his cool just by doing a little bragging. No, you're gonna have to do something to make him real jealous. So jealous that he nearly pops a blood vessel. I don't think I want that happening, Mammon, to be honest. I mean, yes, he could kill me, but I don't want him to pop a bloody blood vessel. Maybe we ought to ask someone for advice. Yeah, I don't think you were very helpful. Ask an angel, ask a human, ask an angel.
Oh.
I thought this was a place for demons. Anyway, I want to meet some angels, so let's get at it. Oh yeah, did Satan say something about talking to Simon, didn't he? Said you should ask him about the next TSL novel. The one that's not out yet. I have no idea. And actually, I'm dying to find out what's going to happen myself. At least I don't think I've met any angels up to this point. I don't remember anything about angels. Still though, why would Simon know what's going to happen next in the TSL book when it's not even out yet?
Oh.
Whatever. Let's just go talk to him and see what he says. Where is he? But now I head off to seek Simon's advice. I can only hope that it would help me figure out how to make Levian jealous. Or Leviathan. I'm just gonna call him Levian.
Yeah.
Anyway, it doesn't even matter how I say his name. Because I don't have enough people watching this video to complain. Alright everyone, finally the wait is over. It's time for the Devil's Trivia Showdown, the quiz show that pits demon against human. Today our competitors will be testing their knowledge regarding a super famous, super popular fantasy series. One that's known by young and old alike. The Tale of the Seven Lords. You could have your own TV show, Asma. Now it's time to introduce our two competitors. First, he's a demon who freely admits to being a giant TSL nerd. Levian. I am the GO18. None can oppose me.
Wow.
And his challenger claims to be introduced to TSL very recently after binge watching the DVDs. Say hello to Yuri. You're going down, Levian? Yes! Wait, I need my book. I remember in the last episode that I had a book of, you binged watched the DVD once.
That's it. The fact that you would dare challenge me is an insult to TSL itself. It's just... It's so infuriating that I can't feel the anger. I can only laugh. I can tell you're angry. I mean, look at you. Where is it? Apparently it's not in here. Why am I shouting? I don't know. I should be able to remember it though. Something to do with like rotting food and something. Something. I can't remember. I'm recording! Go away!
なんだよ。
I'm recording! Go away! I'm not streaming! I am not streaming! I streamed once and it was very awkward. I'm not doing the coconut dance. Go away. What the hell language are you speaking? You're not speaking Scottish, you're speaking gibberish. You are, oh my god, you're not Scottish, that's offensive. Get out. Get out.
Alright, enough. This is getting ridiculous. Let's get this show on the road.
Shut up!
Before you hated wasting your time at events like this, Mammon, yet you are here. Truly, one does never... keys. Shut up, Lucifer. I've got some free time, that's all. He's blushing.
Hi.
Shut up! I'm not gonna get 1,000 likes.
Well then, we'll start with you. Yuri, get ready for TSL quiz question number 1. In birth order, name the oldest, second oldest, and the third oldest.
Oh no, I don't know this. The first of the Lord is... What?
Oh my god. Corruption. Fools, then shadow. Oh no. Okay, I think it's the bottom one.
Wow.
Oh, thank you. Well, how about that? You're absolutely correct. Way to start the game on the right foot, Yuri. Thank you. Thank you. Come on. Anybody could have gotten that one right. Oh, I put a lot of effort. Answering that question, Levy. My cheeseburgers came with onion rings. The king of all side items, yeah. Can I have one, please? Can I have one? Oh, okay. No. Alright, Levian, it's your turn now. Here comes question number... Yeah, Levy, what's that? What's that?
Okay.
Oh.
Hot.
What the fuck? That's a weird pigeon sound. I just heard a pigeon. Oh, it's a dog. Even so, or is it me? Or was that question a little too specific? Only a mega nerd would know that. I suppose going easy on me, thank you. This is shaping up to be quite entertaining, isn't it, Lucifer? You remind me of Radio Demon. You look like Radio Demon.
そうか。
Oh my god, are you... Asmodeus is angel dust. Mammon is Hoska. I'm glad you find it to your liking. Liking. He has the personality of Radio Demon as well.
Hi.
Alright, back to you now, Yuri. Get ready to TSL quiz number 2. The 6th Lord is the Lord of Flies. What does he love to eat more than nothing else? I don't know. Fermented milk. Fermented beans. Cursed goat tartare sandwich with cheese. I don't know. Half dead cow? From a dying... You milked a cow that was dying. It probably has herpes or some crap. Goat. Oh, I got it right! A cursed goat tartare sandwich with cheese. Is that some sort of hamburger, more or less? A cheeseburger.
おい。
Hey, Bill, come on, take that napkin to the stream of gruel coming out of your mouth. It's getting all over my clothes.
Move then and stop complaining. Now back to Mr. Reliable himself, Fleegan. Here comes question number 2. You could be a TV reporter. In the Tale of the Seven Lords, Volume 3, page 724, what does the Lord of Fools say? The 5th line from the top. Money is my dearest friend, my closest companion. It is ever to cling to me. The blood bonds I share with my brothers are like the weak, crispy threads of a spider of comparison.
Wow.
Amazing, that is correct. An exact match, word for word. The more I learn about the Lord of Fools, clearer is that he is a total scumbag. Just like Mabon!
Huh?
Hey, why does it feel like you're insulting me right now?
Hi.
He's insulting both of you. Alright, moving on. It's your turn now, Yuri. Say hello to question number 3. Nope, I'm fine. Thanks. Fine. I'm fine, thanks. This is regarding fifth brother. This is regarding the 5th brother, the Lord of Lechery. Who does he love more than anyone else? Is it Geldy? I remember something saying about Geldy, frozen to death. Himself. Let's try that. Sounds a bit like you, Asmo, to be honest. Finish my drink. So, the 5th Lord loves himself above anyone else. I like that. Sounds like my kind of guy. Yeah. He is you. Come on, hurry up. Let's go. It's my turn now. Shut up.
Wow.
Vivian, you've gotten every single question correct thus far. Stop speaking like Shakespeare. I can't read anything you're saying. Prepare yourself, because question number 3 is coming at you. In volume 4 of the DVD series, at exactly... You're a big fan, aren't you? And exactly 159 minutes and 35 seconds in. What is the Lord of Masks holding in his left hand?
Okay.
He's holding a flower of Carnivorous God Bradoodle plant, grown by the Lord of Corruption. I never heard of this. Excellent. That only flashed on the screen for a brief festive moment, and yet you still called it amazing. How do you know what it is? Your knowledge, it truly is. I was about to say exquisite. Extensive. In fact, I'd say it's even creepy. Yeah, he is creepy. Hey, is it just me, or have all of my questions been way harder than Yuri's? Like, suspiciously harder. Though they're so easy for me that I'm ready to fall in. Fool? I thought he was about to say fall to sleep, so I said fall. How long are you going to keep this charade up? This is pretty boring.
Anna?
Okay, you can go back to your room and cuddle a body pillow and read a hentai magazine, okay? Because I don't feel like doing this either. Yep, I say it has. Alright, Yuri, time to pull out the big guns. Let's see how Levy here likes your trump card. Okay then. Levy, you're way too full of yourself, which is why we're about to reach inside yank out that pride and crush it like a bug. How would you feel if I did that to Goldie? He'd probably cry actually, and I'd feel real bad. What? Well, interesting. It's about to go down. I'm about to get killed. I am scared. Next. Are we on I'm already on level 6. Are you kidding me? Well, while we're at it, let's go to the event, since I can't go any further. Who are you? Is that another demon, or? I haven't played this in a long time. I can't remember anything. still call him Hank.
Yo.
Can't tell me what to do. Yuri, do you want to play on the beach together? Yeah! You guys are hanging out, I want in. You don't mind, do you? You'll probably sleep the whole time. You are literally the avatar of sloth. Mind if I join you as well? Let's all hang out together. You guys are joining too. I would like some quality time with Beal. Not trying to be rude, fellas. It's impossible to sleep with Mammon and the others, making such a racket.
Ah.
I can always grab a drink if I want to afterwards. So what are we going to do? Clam digging? What's that? Harvesting clams from sand flats.
Ah.
Yeah, that. Let's find lots of clams and eat them together. Are we even going to cook them? Sounds fun. Yeah, I'm hungry. Are we going to cook them first? Let's get digging. I'm lucky I don't have long nails. I can't seem to find any. Are you sure there are clams around here? Wait, how did you manage to find so many, Beal? There's a trick to it. Do you see those small holes on the surface of the sand? Oh, I always see them whenever you dig right beneath them. I always see those holes and I always dig where the little holes are and there's nothing there. You're right, I'm finding plenty now. I'm doing it your way. Looks like you're managing well so far, Yuri. Hey, what's that you're holding? That's not a clam, is it? It's one of the Infinity Stones. Time to get rid of Mammon for good. Can we bury Goldie in a hole? I hope he drops her in the sea. How do you even assume your credit card's gender? It's glowing. Could it be a pearl? Oh, is it like those things from Minecraft? Is it edible? No, I don't think so. No, it's not. He's still gonna try. Pearls are usually found inside shells. It's rare to see one lying around by itself. I can be like Mammon. Or I can just... I can be Mammon or I can be... I'm just gonna be... I'm trying to think of something.
Ah.
It's a shame you can't eat it, but you're right, it's beautiful. You could keep it. Yay! Okay, I think we've got enough. Let's sit by the water's edge and rest for a bit. It's nice to feel waves. I love the ocean. The seafood tastes great. You can build up your strength by swimming, not to mention the view is comforting. Oh boy, are you okay? Jesus. Hello? Why are you angry? Lose forward to a blow of guards since coming to the beach. I wonder if there's any way to prank him. How? Drowning him? Not digging a pit. Take a sanded shot. Let's just dig a pit. Let's just put him in the pit. Yo, Yuri. What? No, it's Mammon. Wow, he's way out in the water.
Oh.
Yuri, come swim with me. I don't know. As long as I don't get eaten by a bloody great shark. Cool, yeah. You were on the beach this whole time, weren't you? Yeah, because a shark's gonna eat me alive. It's so hot, why don't we dive into the ocean and cool down? I swear. Catch some fish. Sunken ships. Well, I'm gonna drown. I want to catch fish. I feel like that would be a less dangerous thing. And they're slimy. Maybe you just lack talent. Oh no! No, practice Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect.
だな。おう。
How are you breathing? To the depths of the sea. No, thank you. I'd rather stay here with Mammon, actually. I prefer not to cause Jaws all over again. Just do anime lines. I know something's not gonna pop up. I'm just scared.
おう。
Here, you can have this, a magical piece of candy called a mermaid drop. It allows you to breathe and talk underwater. That's cool! Oh my god, I want to be a mermaid. Okay, screw the sharks, screw everything. I want to be a mermaid. You know, I watched one of Lauren's videos in class, and you know when she went in that mermaid suit and tried to swim underwater? Yeah, what if I accidentally swallow it? Does that mean I could breathe underwater for life? What do you think? Heck load of fish. I'll show you some more clownfish. Angelfish. I think that's angelfish anyway. Yuri, there are plenty of beautiful fish swimming over here too. Look.
おい。
Hey, let go of Yuri's hand.
いや
I'm
いやいや。
forgetting that you were about to kill me back there. Oh no. Oh, well, he's already pissed at me, so. Oh, that's a hard decision. I mean, I like Yuri. I like Yuri. I like Cleveland, but you were trying to kill me back there.
じゃあな。
Come on, I'll show you how the great Mammon catches fish. I bet he's gonna catch none and leave you. It's gonna get loads. See the gap between those rocks? If you shove your hand in there, I'll get bitten by a crab. You see that gap between those rocks? If you shove your hand in there, you will die. Go on, give it a try. Bingo, got it. Check it out, it's a demon fish. Jesus Christ, don't get it near me. I want to make it blush underwater. Can you see someone blush underwater, actually? Even if you get stranded on a desert island, you don't need to worry about the food as long as you don't need. This is like a really romantic moment. Where'd he go?
Huh?
Oh, there we go. Yeah, he's got loads of fish, hasn't he? Oh, see something shiny down there? Is it the mermaid gem? I want to become a mermaid. Huh? Where? I want to become a mermaid. I bet something No, don't sell it. I want to be a mermaid.
おお。
It's a giant pearl. Dang, how much will it sell for? Don't sell it! I own an identical one.
マジか。
No!
はあ。
Go find your own pearl. Go find your own pearl. This one's mine. Back off.
あ？
I regret swimming with you.
オッケー。
My pearl. My pearl.
Oi.
Back off. I wish I went with Lovey now.